Hello, growth marketers. This is Michael Lamb, CEO at Kaydoh. So today I got a quick tool tip that we are using. We found a great way to really optimize and really supercharge the way you write headlines or the way you write titles on your YouTube videos, on your social media posts. Really, how do you grab people's attention? So there's this tool out there called from coschedule.com. They have a tool called Headline Analyzer. It's a completely free tool. You just throw in your title or your first line of your post to see how catchy it is, whether it's a good title. A lot of times, one of the common questions I get from realtors or other business owners is when they're writing titles and preparing to post a video or a social media post, they don't know what to write. And I always tell them the first line is the most important line you want to write. It's going to grab people's attention. So let's do a very quick exercise here. Is on our Kaydoh's account, we have this title here we just published, which is essentially the title says "Get Text from Calendly Appointments." So let's just go ahead and copy that title and throw that in here, this little tool here, and we'll hit Analyze. And right away, it's going to give me a rank. It's going to give me a score from 0 to 100, 100 being a really great title. I generally want to try to hit somewhere in the 70s. So right off the bat, this is a bad title. It tells me it's 55. And keep in mind, this is not something you want to, treat this like gospel, right? I mean, you have to make your judgment based on your audience. It is using an algorithm, so it's not going to be 100% accurate, but it gives you a nice direction, and it gives you reasons why it believes it's not a good score. It breaks it down into a combination of the words that you're using and how they're categorized. And there's really 4 categories that the system uses, which is common words that generally, what they suggest is you need to have about 20-30% of your title using common words. Another part is 10 to 20% use uncommon words that just not are used frequently in titles. Emotional words should take 10%, and power words generally want to be 1 or 2 within the title. Power words are like free, super easy, words that really can grab people's attention. Emotional would be something that can really drive someone to take action. So let's just kind of iterate on that. And then if you go down below, it kind of gives you some other analytics about the title. I'm not going to go too big on this, but what I'm going to do is just kind of iterate. So instead of doing get text, really this is a how to get text, right? Let's go ahead and analyze that. And right away, it shot up to 73. So this is a much better title, and it breaks these words down into their groupings, right? So we want to stay within 20-30% of common words, which we are when 25% or so. We don't have any uncommon words, but we do have an emotional word, which is how to. It's an actionable word, and we don't have anything power here. A power word that can really trigger them to do something. So what you could do is keep iterating on it. So what I like to use is, let's see if we can change it a little bit. Maybe we can say how to, let's say, easily get text from Calendly. So let's channelize that. Right away, it went from 73 to 75. There you go. So I used the word easily, and easily is an additional emotional word here. Might be using too many because, again, it usually want to keep it to 10 to 15%. But again, I'm not taking this literally. But my score is better. I feel good. And maybe I can throw in free, because what we're teaching in this tutorial is a free way to get free SMS text messages from Calendly appointments. So I can say how to easily get texts from Calendly appointments for free. What happens when we use that? So when I do that, keep in mind you might get some of these pop-ups. Just close that. But right away, it went from 75 to 78. So this is a really good title right here. How to easily get text from Calendly appointments for free. I love that. You might want to change the free, maybe put the free closer, because in Google title, the first 5 keywords are going to be ranked. So maybe you can say how to easily get, how about free text from Calendly, right? So it'll reduce it a little bit. 77 went down a little bit, but for me, I think it reads better this way anyways. How to easily get free text from Calendly appointment. I love that. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to use that for my YouTube title. Again, this gives me the analytics. If I go down, it tells me how many characters I'm using, how many words. Even gives me some analytics on, what it looks like when someone skims the content very quickly. And what they see is this: how to easily from Calendly appointments. That's what they're seeing. So it gives you another angle of emphasizing certain keywords that you might want the consumers to really grab. Because, for example, if you're doing a title on an updated price on a house because we just made an adjustment, you definitely want to get their attention. Hey, new price or improved price. You want to test that out with this analyzer to see whether that would grab someone's attention. So with that said, hopefully that was really cool tool for everyone here. And again, if anyone has questions, please comment below. Give me some feedback. If you want to learn and do a tutorial on another tool that you've seen before, let me know. Otherwise, check out coschedule.com. It's a free tool that can really analyze a headline, which is very critical, especially when it comes to YouTube videos and getting ranked for them on Google. It's really important how to get your post, getting the maximum attention or optimizing it. Again, the first sentence is your attention grabber. So use this to your advantage. All right, guys, till next time. Bye.